Good day, everyone. My name is Sophia Kiwamu. I want to bring this topic this hour. The topic is soured love. We're in a season of love, but unfortunately, we're in a society where a lot of people have had negative experiences in their time past of their previous relationship, and they have carried such negative experiences into the new relationship, and it has affected their output and outcome of the new relationship, which is supposed to be a sweeter relationship. Whatever you have gone through the time past has nothing to do with the current relationship. But like the Bible speaking in John chapter 3 and verse 16, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son. Whatever experience you have in the time past, there is something you are giving in the new relationship. There's something you're bringing in the table, and what you must do is to allow the past to be over, because this is a new relationship, and whatever negative encounters, toxic experiences, negative influences, negative effect of the previous one shouldn't come into the new relationship. Right now in the season of love, this is not a time to build up on negativity, rather build up on the new, because this very relationship it has an impact into your mental mind, it has an impact into your social life, it has an impact into your emotional attitude, and you must be very sensitive to define the purpose of this relationship. What is the purpose? Is it for creativity? Is it for productivity? Is it for input? Is it for impact? And if we can define that, it will help us not to live on toxic relationship, rather on genuine love, heartfelt relationship, which we cannot achieve by the energy of the flesh. We need the God factor for genuine love. God bless you.